You have tried a sorrel cake. How about a sorrel bun? A sorrel Easter bun that is moist and rich in flavor. Come over to my kitchen. Let me go make this tasty, delicious bun, guys. Yes, guys. It's here for the first time on Tracy Cooking. A bun that is made with sorrel. Yes, guys, we are going to make a sorrel Easter bun. So for the recipe, the first thing we need our sorrel. So here I have a mixture. I will leave the measurement of the ingredients in the description box below. So we have some sorrel here that has been soaking into wine. We have bay leaf, cloves, orange skin, and ginger. So we are going to puree this mixture. But before we go ahead and puree this mixture, we are going to remove about 1/4 cup of the liquid. We are going to need this later for our bun. So we are going to set it aside before we go ahead and start the process of blending the sorrel mixture together. So here I'm adding the sorrel mixture to a blender. Before you add the mixture to the blender, remove all bay leaves. To this, I will be adding 1 cup of wine. And here I'm adding 1/4 cup of sea moss gel. This is to make the bun moist. If you don't have sea moss gel, you can go ahead and use jam from any kind of jam you can use. Before we completely blend everything, we are going to continue. Add some more ingredients. There I add a little bit more than a tablespoon of fresh ginger, and there I add 1 tablespoon of molasses. Here I'm adding 2 cups and 1/4 sugar. We will need about 6 tablespoons of butter, nicely melt. Once the butter is melt, we are going to allow it to cool. Here we have our lovely blended sorrel mixture. And to this, we are going to add the butter mixture. And we are going to blend the butter mixture properly throughout the sorrel mixture. Once we have finished blend everything well, we are going to set this aside and we are going to go ahead and sift 4 cups of flour, to the flour mixture. We are going to add some spice. We are going to add nutmeg powder. We are going to add 5 spice or mixed spice, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Wow, we have some spices here, guys. Our bun is going to taste real good. Once you blend everything, we are going to make sure we mix it together. We want all the spices, all the flavor of those spices to mix right throughout the flour. So now it's time to pour our sorrel mixture. So here we are pouring our sorrel mixture, making sure all the dry ingredient combine well with the liquid. I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. And if you are here for the first time and you are enjoying this video, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Take a look around, enjoy more of my delicious recipes, and you will also be notified as soon as I upload. So also don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you in advance. So our mixture is done. We have our pan prepared right here, butter nicely. Actually, I get 2 pounds out of this mixture. So one of the pan I add the mixture about halfway, and the other one a little bit less than half. So it wasn't same size, but yeah, I want 2 buns, so I just split the batter into 2. So the buns are ready to insert into a oven on 365 degrees Celsius. And we are going to allow this to bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes. And here we have our bun mixture that we are adding. You remember the liquid that I take from the sorrel mixture before I blend it? That nice sorrel wine. So here I'm adding it to the bun to give it some moist and some extra sorrel color, because you notice the color burnt out. The heat destroyed the sorrel color. So if you are looking for a bright red color, you will not get it because the heat will destroy it. So you will have to dress up your bun or your cake after you bake it. So here I put the liquid all over on the bun, and I'm going to allow it to absorb. While that is going on, we are going to make our bun glaze. Here I have butter, sugar, and that is 1 tablespoon of sea moss. If you don't have sea moss, we are going to use jam the same way we use it into the bun, and any jam is fine. To this we are going to add also 2 tablespoons of the sorrel mixture that we set aside. The sorrel liquid, that nice sorrel wine we take and put aside. So we are going to combine all the ingredients, allow everything to blend well. Once the butter and the sugar is melted nicely, our glaze is ready. And once all the liquid absorb into the bun, we are going to go straight ahead and glaze our bun. If I should make this bun again, what I will do different is to make sure all those lumps you are seeing there doesn't come out. Okay, so that is the only thing I find was a little bit not so nice. Yes, but you notice I fix it up nice and it look fine. My bun tastes good. So that is what matters most, that the bun is enjoyable. So here we cut the bun and that is what it looked like on the inside. Moist. Lovely. So here also, I am going to take the bun to a next level. You can enjoy the bun just like this. Drop your piece of cheese on it. Enjoy it. Or you can follow me as I did. What I did, the same glazing liquid that I just sprinkle a little all over on the slices and spread it nicely. Look at how glazing the bun is. Beautiful, no? And it tastes good too. Yep. Beautiful. Look at our bun glazing. Wow. And the sun ain't shining on it. Looking tasty, right? So you can enjoy the bun like this. Or you can just enjoy it just freshly cut without anything. You can choose and see which one you love. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out.